Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss trigonometric ratios remaining problems. So here we have question as if tan square is equals to 1 minus e square, then he is asking to prove LH is equals to RHS. Now consider first this given condition. I am writing given tan square theta is equals to 1 minus e square. From formula we have one formula. What is that? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So from this formula I can write tan square. In the place of tan square I can write secant square theta minus 1 is equals to 1 minus e square. Next, secant square theta, bring this minus 1 to the right hand side, 1 plus 1 minus e square. So I can write it as tan square theta secant square is equals to 2 minus e square. Next, from secant square can I write secant theta is equals to 2 minus e square whole to the power of 1 by 2. We have secant theta is equals to this. Now consider LHS part. I am considering LHS part. LHS, what we have, secant theta plus tan cube theta into cosecant theta. From here I can write it as secant only, secant theta plus this tan can be written as sin cube theta by cos cube theta into 1 by sin theta. From here one sin cancel, remain square. So secant theta plus sin square by cos square is tan square. I am writing sin square theta by cos square theta into 1 by cos theta. I am separating this cos. From here secant theta plus tan square theta into 1 by cos square can be written as secant theta. We have secant theta, take common secant theta 1 plus tan square theta. We have 1 plus tan square theta from the formula is secant square. So I am writing secant theta into from the formula we have 1 plus tan square is secant square, hence we can write it as secant to the power of cube 3, secant to the power of 3 theta, hence we got it. Now we have secant theta, we have value 2 minus e square whole to the power of 1 by 2 is a secant value to the power of 3. So answer is 2 minus e square whole to the power of 3 by 2, hence this is RHS we have. When we consider LHS, we got it RHS. LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. This is the solution for the first question. In next question, second problem. Here given ABC are the angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Then we can write from that A plus C is equals to 180 degrees and B plus D is equals to 180 degrees. So first condition is given sin A minus sin C. Sin A minus sin C I am considering sin A minus sin C. So from here sin A minus sin of from this can I write C is equals to 180 minus A. So I am writing here 180 minus A, 180 minus A. 180 minus theta which comes into second quadrant, sin is positive, hence I can write sin A minus sin A is equals to 0. This is LHS. Next RHS is sin D minus sin B. Sin D I am writing as it is sin D minus, from here I can write it as in the place of B can I write 180 minus D. So I am substituting here in the place of B 180 minus D. Now the solution will be sin of 180 minus D. 180 minus theta, second quadrant, sine is positive, hence sine. We can write it as sine D minus sine D, hence 0. Both are 0 means we can equate. Hence 0, 0, LHS is equals to RHS is equals to same. Therefore, we can say that sin x plus cos x, therefore sin A minus sin C is equals to sin D minus sin B. That's all. This is the solution for the first question. Next, proving that's all. Next is B part we have. In the B part, what we have, cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D is equals to 0. We have this. What we have, I am writing cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D. So, from these conditions, what we have, C is equals to 1 minus 180 minus A, B is equals to 180 minus D. I am using this too. LHS consider cos A plus cos of, in the place of B, 180 minus D plus cos of, in the place of C, 180 minus A plus cos D. So, cos A, second quadrant, 180 minus T to second quadrant cos is negative. Here in the second quadrant, cos is negative. So, minus cos D plus minus cos A plus cos D. From here we can cancel the terms. Plus cos D minus cos D cancel, plus A minus cos A cancel, hence from here the solution is 0, hence 0. B part is 0, hence LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, we can write it as cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D is equals to 0 is the solution for the second question. That's all. This is the proving. Whenever this is in the objective question also, they will ask you this kind of question, how to solve this. Means just consider these two conditions when cyclic quadrilaters, when they will say that cyclic quadrilaters A, B, C, D are the angles of the cyclic quadrilaters, then A plus C is equals to 180 degrees, B plus D is equals to 180 degrees. That's all. In the third question, what we have, take LHS, try to prove RHS. I am considering LHS. From LHS, this is the LHS, tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. This is LHS. I am considering, try to prove RHS. We know that identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. I am substituting in the place of 1, I am substituting that term. Now see carefully, tan theta plus secant theta minus 1, in the place of 1 I am substituting secant square theta minus tan square theta by, write it denominator term same as it is, no change, theta plus 1. From here I can write it as secant square theta minus tan square theta is in the form of a square minus b square. So, a plus b into a minus b. So, use this. So, I am writing tan theta plus secant theta minus secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. From numerator, you can take common secant theta. See in the numerator, this term and this term take common. From here, if you take common that term, tan theta plus secant theta, taking common, then in the place of that tan theta plus secant theta, you will get 1 minus remaining term is secant theta minus tan theta divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Here in the next line, tan theta plus secant theta into 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. This numerator terms both are same, see carefully, 1 minus secant theta tan, hence cancel these two terms, hence you will get tan theta plus secant theta. From here tan can be written as sin by cos, secant can be written as 1 by cos. So take common, like LCM 1 by cos, LCM cos, then sin theta plus 1, hence this is the RHS, Next term, in the next problem, here this is a question, try to prove this LHS is equals to RHS. Now here I am considering LHS what we have, 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta into 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. Now we know that cot can be written as cos by sin, write it in terms of that. Cot can be written as cos by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta. Cosecant can be written as 1 by sin theta. 1 plus tan can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus secant can be written as 1 by cos theta. Now do LCM in this first bracket, sin LCM, sin theta LCM. Then you will get sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Next, cos LCM, cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. From here we can say that consider this part as 1 unit, A minus B into A plus B, same, A minus B into A plus B can be written as A square minus B square. So here A is what, consider sin theta plus cos theta is equals to A, here B is equals to 1, then you can write it as sin theta plus cos theta A square minus B square is 1 square by sin theta cos theta, Now from here expand this A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB, here A plus B whole square formula is A square plus B square plus 2AB, write it. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. From here I can write it in the place of cos square plus sin square, identity 1. So I am writing here in the place of that identity 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. From here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, and I can write it as 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Here sin theta cos theta cancel, hence 2, and therefore we can write it as LHS is equals to RHS. We have this question, see carefully guys. Here in this sin theta minus cos theta, if we put theta is equals to 0, shortcut method first, okay, theta is equals to 0, then you will get sin 0 is 0 minus cos 0 is 1 whole to the power of 4 plus 6 to the power of 6 into sin to the 0 plus cos 0 whole square plus 4 into sin power 6 0 plus cos power 6 into 0. Now this will be 13, right? Cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Hence if you substitute those values you will get 13 directly. So this is a shortcut method. And next, for objective kind of question, this is the format, this is the way of solving problem. Next we are solving in subjective way. First consider given question. given LHS, I am considering 3 times of sin theta minus cos theta whole square into square. Power 4 can be written as in that way. 6 times of sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 into sin theta whole cube plus cos theta sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. Can I write this? Now I am rearranging. Now just substitute a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square. Then a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 6 times of a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 4 into, we have one formula, a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Use this formula. Okay. Now a cube plus b cube, so a square plus b square, sorry, a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3, a is what? Sin square theta, b is cos square theta, a plus b, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta whole square plus 6 times of sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 4 times of sin square plus cos square is 1 cube minus 3 into sin square theta cos square theta, this is 1, 3 times of a minus b whole square. Again use the formula, a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab for sin theta cos theta plus 6 multiply inside, 6 plus 3 2s are 6 2s are 12 sin theta cos theta plus 4 inside multiply, 4 minus 3 4s are 12 sin square theta cos square theta. Now what we have, multiply 3 inside, 3 3 4s are 12 sin square theta cos square theta, 3 4s are 12 sin theta cos theta plus 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 4 minus 12 sin square theta cos square theta. Here plus 12 sin square cos square minus 12 sin square cos square cancel. Next minus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 12 sin theta cos theta cancel. Remaining is 3 plus 6 plus 4. Answer is 13, which is nothing but RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. Hence done. Next question. Here in this question, he is asking to eliminate the theta terms. Just consider one x is equals to first bit a cos cube theta, y is equals to b sin cube theta. Now bring a to the left hand side, x by a is equals to cos cube theta. Next cube is there, just bring to the left hand side, then 1 by 3 is equals to cos theta it will become. In the similar way, bring b to the left hand side, y by b is equals to sin cube theta, y by b whole to the power of 1 by 3 gives sin theta. We know sin square plus cos square is equals to 1, sin square plus cos square theta is equals to 1. From here, sin square is what? Y by b whole to the power of 1 by 3 square plus cos square is equals to 1. Cos is what? X by a whole to the power of 1 by 3. Then y by b whole to the power of 2 by 3 plus x by a whole to the power of 2 by 3 is equals to 1. Hence, we eliminated this theta terms. Hence, this is a solution. This is a solution for the first question. Next, in the second question, let's discuss second question. In the second question, given x is equals to a into secant theta plus tan theta. Just bring the left hand side. A, x by a is equals to secant theta plus tan theta. Hence, x by a we know. Next, just consider b. B is equals to b times of y is equals to b times of secant theta minus tan theta. Now, bring b to the left hand side. Y by b is equals to secant theta minus tan theta. So, x by a, y by b, secant theta plus tan theta. We know one formula. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. From here, we can write it as a plus a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into, sorry, this is a plus b, right? A plus b into a minus b is equals to 1. Hence, secant theta plus tan theta we know x by a. So, x by a into secant theta minus tan theta is y by b. So, y by b is equals to 1. From here, we can say that xy is equals to ab. This is a solution for the second question. Solution for the second question. Here in this question, we need to eliminate theta. Little bit difficult, but it's a very easy actually. If you see here, whenever this question is given cot theta, given question cot theta plus tan theta is given. From here, I am squaring on both sides, x square cot theta plus tan theta whole square. From here, x square is equals to cot square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 cot theta into tan theta. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So, I am writing here x square is equals to cot theta plus cot square theta plus tan square theta plus cot theta into tan theta is always equals to 1. So, 2. This 2 is splitting 1 plus 1. Cot square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta plus 1. So, from here we have formula, right? Secant square theta is equals to tan square theta plus 1. Cosecant square theta is equals to cot square theta plus 1. This is the formula. So, applying here, then this formula is x square is equals to cot means cosecant square theta plus secant square theta. So, just simplify. Cosecant can be written as cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta, and secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. So, apply this. I am applying here 1 by sin square theta plus 1 by cos square theta. 2 LCM, do LCM, then you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal by sin square theta into cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, hence I can write it as tan square theta into cos square theta is x square. This is x square. Now consider y. Y is equals to secant theta minus cos theta, squaring y square secant square theta plus cos square theta minus 2ab secant theta into cos theta. Then y square is equals to secant theta secant square theta plus cos square theta minus 2, because secant into cos is 1. Y square is equals to secant square theta minus 1, I am separating, minus 1 cos square theta minus 1, minus 2 can be written as minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So I am separating, allocating minus 1 to the secant, cos to the minus 1. So secant square minus 1 can be written as tan square from this formula. Y square is equals to secant square minus 1, secant square minus 1, write it same as it is. From here minus 1 take common, then 1 minus cos square theta you will get. We have one formula, 1 minus cos square theta is equals to sin square theta. This is identity 1, don't forget, okay? This is identity 1, I am substituting in the place of 1 minus cos square sin square. So y square is equals to sin square minus 1 from this formula. From this formula sin square theta minus 1 can be written as tan square. So I am writing tan square theta minus this is sin square theta. Y square is equals to tan can be written as sin square by cos square minus sin square theta. Sin square theta we have same common, you can take common sin square theta, then remaining is 1 by cos square theta minus 1. From here 1 by cos can be written as secant, so sin square theta into secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1 means from this formula itself, again this is secant square minus 1 can be written as tan square. I am writing tan square. Y square is equals to sin square theta into tan square. Hence y square I got it, x square is equals to y, I got it. Now we need to do one thing, x square into y test first. X square what we have, 1 by sin square into cos square x square. Next y value, y what is given, secant theta minus cos theta, right? Secant theta minus cos theta. From here just do multiply. Secant theta, how can we write 1 by cos? So I am writing 1 by cos. First of all do inside LCM, 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta. Next is LCM, 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. From according to the identity 1 we can cancel, this is sin square, okay? 1 minus cos square is sin square, sin square cancel, 1 by cos cube, you will get 1 by cos cube. Hence we can write it as x square y is equals to 1 by cos cube theta, 1 by cos cube theta. Now this cube bring to the left hand side, how we can write this, x square y whole to the power of 1 by 3, then 1 by cos can be written as secant theta. Secant theta is this, okay? Secant theta is equals to x square y whole to the power of 1 by 3. Next from here multiply x into y square. X what we have, cot theta plus tan theta, so cot theta plus tan theta, x term. Next tan y square is sin square theta into tan square theta. From here we can write it as y square is equals to cot can be written as cos by sin, cos theta by sin theta, plus tan can be written as sin theta by cos theta, sin square theta into sin square theta by cos square theta. So from here do LCM. If you do LCM, identity 1 according to the sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 according to the identity, and sin theta cos theta leftover terms. Next sin square theta into sin square theta by cos square theta. From here we can write it as sine square plus cos square is 1, and this part is 1 according to the identity 1. Identity 1, this is 1. Next, cancel the terms. Sin theta, 1 sin theta cancel. Cos theta, there is no cancellation of cos. Okay. This can be written as sine to the power of 3 sine cube theta by cos cube theta. From sine by cos is tan cube theta. So I got it as xy square multiply 1 by 3, powering on 1 by 3 on both sides, tan theta you will get tan theta is equals to xy square x into y square all to the power 1 by 3. Now we know that sin theta cos theta, one formula, identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Now substitute from here, secant square minus tan square is equals to 1. From here, secant is what? X square into y to the power of 1 by 3. Next, x y square whole to the power of 1 by 3 tan theta. Now, from here, x square y whole to the power of 2 by 3 minus x y square whole to the power of 2 by 3 is equals to 1. This is a solution.